everyone, and we're going to report on eco hotels and restaurants in the Philippines. So we chose two different kinds of eco-friendly establishments, including their products. So aside from that, their place also is identified as eco-friendly location from the ambience to appearance. So once again, we are Group 3, and let's proceed to the first one.
Containers Tagaytay is one of the branches of Eco Hotel. The container rooms by Eco Hotel was a very comfortable and cozy place. Eco Hotel containers are proliferating in the use of reuse and recycling of both commercial and living spaces. It is wide availability, low cost, and durability that make an ideal alternative to traditional brick and cement structures. The containers by Eco Hotel are constructed made of curtain steel, which is very thin, strong, and durable. These containers are extremely stable and have been proven to withstand storming by the installing of a sustainable wall and ceiling insulation along with concrete balconies in the attic and combine an excellent passive cooling with optional air conditioning.
The containers in Tagaytay was considered an eco-friendly hotel because of their solar panels, water recycling, and energy-saving lights. For example, they used rainwater as one of the water resources in the hotel, and also they used several different types of lights, such as the motion bulb sensors and fluorescent LED lights. They also use upcycled materials. Name a few are currently placed in the containers by Eco Hotel Tagaytay. Additionally, the use of surplus containers repurposed to an eco-chic and iconic hotel adds value to the true to the green claim while inspiring other future hotel projects to incorporate eco-friendly values and designs. Each stay at Containers Tagaytay is an eye-opener of the boundless impact of little effort can do in the saving of the environment. This is seen in every room imbued with the call action, reuse, reduce, and recycle, and also renew. Every bottle like Tanzan, foil pack, cork, and plastic utensils can be something else, something beautiful, something useful. You can see in the pictures, or if you visit the website, you can see they use the use tires as one of the signs in each room of the hotel.
Eco Store Makati City. The restaurant is the first concept store of its kind in the Philippines. ECO is the acronym for Environment and Community Hope Organization Store. When ECO Store began in 2008, they guaranteed to provide eco-friendly and natural products that are sustainable for the environment. To further this venture, they founded the Eco Cafe in 2011 in support of the country's local farmers. The name an acronym for Environment and Community Hope Organization emphasized their goals of caring for the earth and improving the lives of Filipino communities. They offer breakfast, salads, pastas and drinks which are all healthy and organic. Yung Eco Store daw is the first ever branches dito sa Pilipinas na andito talaga sa Pilipinas, and Hindi lang siya restaurant, but isa rin siyang cafe. Parang 2 in 1 kung ganun. Kasi, may restaurant, tapos parang sa kabilang side is cafe. Then, tapos yung mga source ng mga gulay or prutas ay nanggagaling sa ating mga local farmers. Local farmers, which is yung mga nanggagaling sa ating local farmers na mga gulay and prutas ay binibenta din nila doon sa Eco Store na yon. Tapos, yun nga, then, Eco Trio also wanted to help small producers, craftsmen, and artisans get the market they have never served. Ito nga yung they wanted to help. Gusto nilang tumulong sa ibang producer, craftsmen, ganyan. Tas artisans na makuha yung market na parang hindi pa nila nakukuha dati, na parang gusto nilang iangat yung ibang manggagawa. Hindi sila yung wag na to, ganyan, ganyan. Hindi sila yung nagmamataas. Parang ganun.
When Eco Store began in 2008, they guaranteed to provide eco-friendly and natural products that are sustainable for the environment. To further this venture, they founded the Eco Cafe in 2011 in support of country's local farmers. The name, an acronym for Environment and Community Hope Organization, emphasizes their goals of caring for the earth and improving the lives of Filipino communities. They offer breakfast, salads, pastas, and drinks, which are all healthy and organic. In this business, they're not only a store, but they have a multi-purpose branches like the cafe. They use different organic materials or sources from the local farmers nearby. One of the products that they have is meatless and organic. They have several products which contains meat, but also they have a vegan friendly and have a vegetarian options. Which in this photo you can see that they use, instead of a real meat, they use a alternative one. And also in this one, the source of chocolates from the small producers who use organical grown cacao for their products. These chocolates and snacks can be healthy alternatives for those who love snacking and munching between Netflix or working home.
Thank you for listening to our discussion. Thank you. Bye-bye.